Friday, so it's Saturday morning. Got everything with me, got the lunch, the water. Just like to be prepared for whatever the day throws at me. Because I never know where I'm going to be. It's just better to be prepared than unprepared. So, John Deere 825, or 835 cold start, I guess as you would call it. Cool. First we had to take care of a four-legged furry friend. Alright, so off we go. Now the water's starting to come up in the temperature gauge, so that's always a good sign. We've got plenty of gas for whatever life throws at us. So I'm also contemplating on getting my leaf vacuum hooked up to the tractor, but I don't know what I want to get done today. So we'll just have to see how it plays out. White paper towels or blue ones? I don't know. I don't know what to use. Can never have enough paper towels. Never. Looks better. I forgot to put the long pants on. Oh boy. That time of year again. But at least we can wind down and relax. Kind of. December through March. Or the end of November to March. Maybe. Had a little bit of frost this morning, or this past week. stuck up in the nose. Good?
I mean, there's just a little bit stuck up there, but I can't get it out.
Okay. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do in farming. Even if me taking a lunch and drink with you. Bad thing about this thing is you can't see what you're putting in it. All you can do is just hope and pray that you're at least hitting, that the corn is at least going in the truck. Which I'm pretty sure that it is. I guess what I'm trying to say is you can't tell that it's full until it's like really, really, really too late. I mean, like really too late. That's what I'm talking about right there. We can just barely see it over top of the board. Yeah, there's some left in here. Crap. Didn't do too bad. I think it went on the front of the tarp a little bit, but on the truck. But the reason why I left it like that was I'm hoping it'll, when you go to tarp it, if you do, it'll push it all the back. Yeah, I think I got a little carried away. Gosh darn it. Crap. Well, at least that's all right, I think. I think I'll just let the combine fill that automatic for now, so we don't make a mess like I did last time. A lot of corn here. 130, 40 bushel an acre. Probably. That's what I had in my head, was what I was going to do was 130 or better. To get rid of the sweatshirt, man, sitting in a glass cage all day, it gets warm, but there's not no heat on the glass. So, I mean, you can definitely feel the warmth, but I mean, it's not like the 70s and 80s was. This one's a little more forgiving, but not much. Oh, I like running a grain cart a heck of a lot. It's all empty. Start this thing, let it build air. Let's see, keys over here on Western Star.